Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
I've assigned you some work in the last class.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I joined your group. I was not there in the last class. Ma'am, I did the slide. Did you get it?
You send it in my mail or in Google Classroom. Where you send it?
No, ma'am, you gave. I have to give.
Sorry.
I had to give you the slide on like that. Your slide we all had to put one there. So then
Okay.
did you get it?
Let me just open it up and we'll see that whether it is there.
Ma'am, can I actually change my slide? I think ma'am, I did it in the last class only, the slide on the slide. Hello, ma'am.
Hello, who is this? ये क्या हो गया? One second, I'm opening up my sheets, slides.
I have already opened my Google slide.
One second. This one, right?
Yes.
Let's see कौन-कौन हमें submit कर दिया है. Oh ma, he is manager in Savvy. What is this? Okay, Shan, where are you? One by one, tell me about your slides and tell me what you have made in your slide. Okay, so this is Shan's slide. Where is Shan? Shan, can you just give me a brief, because in every slide we would have just a brief detail about a person.
Ma'am, I didn't put orange one.
You didn't put orange one, and who made the changes?
It was a white background.
Anyways, no problem. Can you please explain what you have mentioned in your slide?
Ma'am, it's about Barca, my favorite club.
There it is. So, actually, I need you all to give a presentation on this. So you have to, as in the last class, Haksha has explained about her slide. Na? She gave the detail about herself. So it will be a kind of a presentation skill there. So Shan, start speaking about your slide. You have to give a brief about Barca, and yes, this is a Shan slide, and what you are a killer, and what is what all these contents are. And then one by one, I would love to see the presentation of everyone, and then we will move to the next step. Okay, go ahead, Shan.
Yeah. Barca is a club in Spain, Catalonia. The best player from Barca till now is Messi, Lionel Messi. Now the manager is Xavi, Stadium, Camp Nou, President John Laporta, founder John Gamper. Founded in 29th November 1899, Barcelona, Spain.
So these
Leagues,
are the
La
details
Liga.
of Barca, I think.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Can you send the link in the chat? I wanted to see some editing.
You
Barca plays in La Liga, Champions League, UEL, Europa League, Copa del Rey, Spanish Super Cup.
I got you, Shan. That was just a reading of the slide. Actually, you people don't went to a presentation sometime. You might have
You
given
can
the
ask.
presentation.
You
na?
can ask me anything about Barca.
Yeah, I know I can ask you anything. But there should be a presentation skill, na? Yeah, here I am Shan and I'm about to tell you about Barca. And at the end, when you are finished with telling about your presentation, then you should say thank you so that I can understand that yes, the presentation is over now. Okay, anyways, what is this again? Shan? Shan, this was your, I think.
Yeah. Yeah, ma'am. This was mine. The last one was not mine.
Somebody might have copied the details. Anyways, now who's this? This is Hamza. Yes, Hamza. Hamza, don't you think that you have put some this graphics over to your oh, acha, you put a graphic for your show and your game. Okay, Hamza, tell me about your presentation and be a very little formal with this. Who is doing this editing? Who has removed this spotlight? Hamza, are you doing this thing?
Ma'am, I'm changing my slides theme to another, and it is going every time another slide.
No, it won't go. You have to work on your own. Okay? If you select yours, then
It is changing for everyone.
so you are making the templates change with everyone. That's why it must be happening. Don't are you changing the this animation effect to all? Then only it will happen in such a manner. Aisha, why you more needed the link of the slide? अच्छा मैं वही तो करना चाहती हूँ. मेरे बेड पे भी पड़े हैं. Aisha, why do you need the link of this? Yes, Hamza, where are you? Hamza nahi hai. Khandan was about not to attend the class. Yes, Captain Sparrow. Speak up about your presentation, then we will move to the other participants also. I am unable to hear you, Bacha. I am unable to hear you.
Ma'am, what about now?
Yes, now you are audible.
Okay. All about me. Hi everybody, my name is Hamza Farooq Sheikh and I am 11 years old. My favorite food is burgers. Burgers are just so delicious with the tomato and the vegetables and the mayonnaise. I just love burgers. Number 2, my favorite show is Naruto. Naruto is one of the biggest animes. Every time a person says anime, mostly Naruto comes to their heads. Naruto is one of the greatest animes ever, hence I like it the most. Number 2, my favorite game is Fortnite. What's the world's most famous game ever? Fortnite. Fortnite has beaten every single game in storylines, graphics, and gun games. It is one of the top games of all day or till day. Thank you.
Yes. Nice, good presentation, Captain Sparrow. Now, who is this? This is Aisha Kazi. Aisha, are you able to access this screen? I've sent the link to you. Yeah. So tell me about
Me. Hi, I'm Aisha Kazi, and there's some few things about me. My favorite color is purple. I like purple because it says royal, and my talents are drawing, and also I am good in solving clues. My hobbies are reading books and going on adventures.
Your and mine hobbies are same, Aisha. Okay, good. Nice. Next, Zubaria. You?
Yeah, yeah. My dream pet. I really wanted Akita. It is a dog breed and it's known to be one of the smartest dog and the most loyal dog. So now I have to prove my mom and dad that I'm responsible and can take care of a dog. So just wish me luck and that I get an Akita.
Good luck, Zubaria. We really
Yeah.
wish you to have this.
Ma'am, I have one comment about that.
Yeah, sure.
I know it's very cute to have a dog, but the problem is, if you don't have the right treatment and right food and right water to give it, you cannot pet a dog.
No.
Yeah, we have a vet and we even research a lot about getting a dog.
But Hamza, nowadays people can carry a dog in a very well manner. They have all the resources available out here and all the knowledge regarding that. So it's everything is available. So if you really want to have a dog, just my neighbor has a dog. From past 12 years, he just brought that dog when he was just born, and he is now 12 years old.
Ma'am,
On
Ma'am?
24th, his birthday was. Yes.
Now
how
you
can
know
they
that-
change colors of the test?
Yeah,
Text.
I'll just tell you. And one thing,
They're
they
easy.
are just treating this dog in such a good manner. They shave him and they give him a bath, give him all the vaccines and everything. So it's not a difficult thing, Zaveria. I am with you. If you like the pet, then definitely you can go and you can take care.
Joey, what's
That
your
thing-
favorite color?
For me, you are asking, or to Zaveria you are asking?
Juveria, ma'am.
Yes, Zuveria. Tell him what is your favorite color.
black and white because mostly Akita's colors are black and white.
Ah, Zuveria, me too like the black and white
Wow.
color much.
Ma'am, you're
Even I
wearing
have a
black and
dog.
white, right?
Sorry?
Yeah,
Yeah,
ma'am is
black
wearing
and
black and
white.
white.
Yeah, I'm wearing black and white. I love this color. I have so many dresses with black color. Sometimes I feel wherever I go, I opt this black color only.
Ma'am, I don't.
Myself, I
I
have
don't
two
waste
dogs.
time on like that.
One is a big
I don't
dog
waste
and one
time
is
on
a small
colors.
puppy. I don't have the things to take care of the small puppy, so we are giving it away now. Just because I don't have the right stuff to take care of the dog.
Ma'am, you know Hamza has very big dogs.
Oh yes, really,
Two
Hamza?
dogs.
One's name is Tiger.
Okay.
No, shut up.
No, you had no Tiger.
That was a long time back.
When I visited your house that time, you had Tiger. And cats also he has.
Yeah. Now I have a real pet dog that is a Rottweiler and an American Bully.
Okay,
You have
dodo
American
dogs.
Bully?
I can even
Yeah.
think about
That is very dangerous.
So it's
Hamza,
a
you know,
puppy.
ma'am, you know a German Shepherd. It
Mhm.
is very dangerous dog. One
No,
time he got behind
Every
on my
dog is
friend.
very loyal to its owner, no matter what.
No, but the German Shepherd is very aggressive and
No,
it can
it's
bite
not
anyone.
aggressive.
No,
It's
German Shepherd
Not as
is very...
aggressive as my dog. My dog beat
No.
a German Shepherd and
You
was
don't
about
know.
to kill it. My dog was about to
Hamza.
kill a
This
German
is my
Shepherd.
class and we are talking about dogs. You
Yes,
people are
ma'am.
not giving me the space to talk. And
This
German
is recording.
Shepherds are aggressive dogs. Yes, that's true. I have seen German Shepherd, but yes, this is also true that if you brought up German Shepherd in a nice way, then he is disciplined also, and he is very loyal to the parents actually.
Owner.
Yes, owners.
Ma'am, one
Actually,
time what happened? You know, my friend, he was very angry, so he just do something to that German shepherd. He didn't knew the German shepherd ran behind him and he ran away. He was the dog was about to bite my friend.
Okay, so now here we are with the change in color of the text. So Shan, you asked me this thing. Can you see that I have selected the text that I wanted to change the color of? So I'm just clicking into the A written in the taskbar. Can you see this toolbar? Here is the text color and I can choose the color of the text. And see, my text has been changed to red color. I can even select different color for different text, as in I can choose Akita and
You can't do that.
and now I'm going to change the color of Akita to black. Okay, I need to select it first and then I'm going to change its color to black. Here it is. Again, one thing, Zuberia, I must tell you that the name of the pet should be always with the letter capital A, and randomly you use the capital letters. So Akita's A should be of capital letter, and this dog does not need capital D in between. So try to make it proper fonts. Okay. Now the next is Sarah Khatri. Sarah, share your presentation.
My
Shan,
name is
I
Sarah.
think I made myself clear with you. Did you got it? Shan?
Yes, I got it.
Okay. Yes, Sarah, you can start.
My name is Sarah Khatri. I am 10 years old. My favorite color is blue. I want to become a cricketer. Virat Kohli is my favorite cricketer. I support RCB in IPL matches.
Easy,
I
easy,
can
easy,
solve-
easy. This is not a reading time. This is a presentation time. Take some pauses, take some commas in between.
Okay.
ये तो ऐसे हो गया
You
जैसे
should
हम लोग
have-
मंत्र पढ़ते हैं ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं
Eh,
भूर्भुवः स्वः ऐसा type का something like you are saying. Okay, go ahead. From
I
step-
am 10 years. My name is Sarah Khatri. I am 10 years old. My favorite color is blue. I want to become a cricketer. Virat Kohli is my favorite cricketer. I support RCB in IPL matches. I can solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube.
Sarah, why is that? Sarah, why is that ICB is IPL matches?
I by mistakenly write is instead of in. Okay.
So now Sehan said. Sehan is still writing something.
Ma'am, I'm just writing.
You didn't done the
Oh,
work.
Sehan.
Sehan, this is wrong. And Sarah, you must have used some pictures in between.
Pictures.
And I must tell
I'm
that
not
Sir, your
getting their
presentation I
pictures.
like the most.
Ma'am, can you see my? Ma'am, can you please check?
Your screen, your slide. Is this yours? Yeah, it's nice. Beautiful background. It's really beautiful. One sec.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Yes, Sehan.
Ma'am, Hamza is annotating on my slide.
Hamza, don't.
Giving her a picture of Virat.
No, no, no. Hamza,
I can
Hamza,
make
you
it.
are not allowed.
I will make it.
You are not allowed to interfere in somebody else's life. Okay. Yes, Sehan. Give the presentation.
Ma'am, I edited my font. It's not showing.
Anyways, as much you have done, just show me that.
Fishes.
Just one.
Fishes. Fishes. Fishes.
What is this?
I'm editing my font. It's very small.
So you can't take the class time, no? In between. Just leave it and tell me give me the presentation.
Okay, my okay.
What is the
Sehan,
thing?
Everyone, please
Sehan,
mute yourself instead of saying Sehan because there's so many voices. Yes, yes, Sehan.
Sehan Salik, myself introduction. My name is Sehan Salik. I study in Golden Sparrow grade 5. I love to play football and cricket. My favorite food is biryani, pizza, and burger. I love to explore new things. My favorite sports team are Paris Saint-Germain and Ghana Super Kings.
I like the background of your presentation, but I expect you people to give more better presentation. As Hamza did now, it was really wonderful. Can you see that when you read something, then people don't get interest in it. But when Hamza speaks up, it was a kind of like, chalo, sunte hain what he wants to say. Isn't so? So make it so interesting. Your voice should be so enthusiastic while telling the presentation. Then it feels very good with all to look into the presentation, right? Anyways, okay, I'm stop sharing this now. And this is all about our Google slide, and we have done with our course. I think there is nothing left
Ma'am?
behind. We have discussed the
White
syllabus also. Yes, who is this? Somebody saying something?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, in Juveria's slide, I noticed all the eyes she put now are small, not capital.
Yeah, she always does this kind of grammatical mistakes. She missed out where she had to use the capital letter and
Capital
where
I.
small letter. She always get
Small.
confused with it. I always point out this.
Fix that.
Sometimes
Maybe
she
next
always
time I
write her name with a small g. So where you always use capital J and make it वो dot को भी ना arrow बना दिया तो, and that looks good, and that gives you एक ना पता है your writing also emphasize your aura. When you write the letters अभी maybe A ना ऐसे round A नहीं arrow वाला A.
Ma'am,
Arrow वाले A
Ma'am.
से you look for the heights. You are someone who looks for the heights. You looks for the higher thing in your career, in your life, and aura also supports that when you use the steeper letters. So with your name especially, make it few letters in such a manner that it gives you height in your life. ये कुछ चीजें मैं मान ये this is a study, yeah. ऐसा नहीं है कि एस वाले को नहीं है राउंड है एस, बट सबका अपना अपना ये रहता है, बट ये कुछ अपने नाम लिखने की स्टाइल. अमिताभ बच्चन इज सच अ हाइट, ये हमेशा ऐसा रहता है. यस
Ma'am.
हाँ हमजा.
My slide was the shortest slide.
But your presentation
Only
was good and
3
this is what,
lines.
no problem. And I was expecting this thing ना, उसमें कुछ different fonts थे, उसमें कुछ attractive चीजें थी, जिसमें हम कुछ तो तुमने यूज किया ना. It was not like as just simple as writing the things. वो तो 2 मिनट में कोई भी क्लास के बीच में भी हम कर सकते थे. You did effort and that was nice.
Ma'am, after I even told Juveria, she not even fixed one eye. She like, I like to do grammatical errors.
Achha, tell me, we have discussed the syllabus or not?
Yes, ma'am.
We have discussed the syllabus and we have decided that we'll take with 4 chapters of the last 4 chapters, right? We'll leave first 2 chapters for examination. Have we discussed this thing? तुम्हारे साथ ही डिस्कशन हुआ था कि कोई और क्लास में हो गया था ये डिस्कशन? So what we will do, we will go ahead with one by one. revision of the chapters now. If anything you want me to discuss, then we will definitely discuss those things. ये हमारी book है and this is the course content, and we are going to take third, fourth, fifth, and sixth chapter for our examination. Is it fine with you?
Ma'am, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yes. We know need 60% of the syllabus. So we have to choose only 4 chapters, and we just did with 2 chapters, and we already did 2 chapters initially also in one more test, right? So this time we will take up with the last 4 chapters. Okay.
Ma'am, can we learn Scratch again?
Yes, ma'am, please.
Yes, ma'am, please.
So
Can we learn Scratch again?
I will give you the work
I
of
like Scratch.
creating a Scratch program for examination.
No,
Yes,
ma'am. No. Please.
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Please, ma'am.
क्यों?
Ma'am,
Please,
no.
ma'am.
अभी जब इतना पसंद है तो
स्टार्ट करते क्या? No, ma'am.
Please,
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
No.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
ma'am, yes, ma'am,
Everybody
yes,
who
ma'am,
likes
yes,
project, raise say yes. Yes, ma'am. Please add Scratch.
I like Scratch project.
I have
इस
an
बार मैं
idea.
project
I
में
have an idea.
हाँ हाँ one by one. Yes, tell me.
One who wants the Scratch project will raise the hand, and the one who doesn't will do a thumbs up.
Yes, okay. Let's
Raise
see.
hand.
Okay, let's
Everybody raise their hand.
see.
Ooh.
Only 2 participants raised hand out of 11.
Scratch project.
I-
3.
Umar, raise your hand. Omar,
have
raise
raised
your
my
hand.
I have raised my hand. Don't want the Scratch, who don't want the Scratch, put thumbs up.
There are 2 raised hands.
Scratch, put raise your hand.
Umar, you raise your hand first.
Democracy, and see what we are getting. It is the condition that India is taking in this Ukraine and Russia war. Neutral effect. Only 3
Ma'am,
participants raise the hand,
Ma'am.
and rest is doing nothing. It shows that they are want to be neutral. Whatever you want, you can decide and do.
Scratch. Scratch.
Omar
Ma'am,
is
I'm
in
going to
both.
kill the chat now. Ma'am, the chat is going to
See,
die now. Sorry, ma'am.
every what is this? What die? Anyways, don't worry. In the next year also, we are going to continue with the
Ma'am?
Scratch, and we
Ma'am?
will learn. Yes.
You know Russia is out of World Cup.
No, I don't. बट अभी रशिया हमको वर्ल्ड कप से क्या करना है? अभी तो पहले वर्ल्ड वॉर के बारे में सोच ले.
Ma'am, there are chances of getting World War III start.
Yes.
Yeah.
Really
It's a chance.
Because America is supporting Ukraine, and Russia has also so many powers.
They are all fighting for
50% chances.
Ukraine to not take partnership
Yes,
with
for a World War.
USA.
Now stop
Russia
chatting.
is
Okay, Hafsha.
Ma'am, the
Hafsa,
real war
China,
has begun now.
Russia. China is Russia and Ukraine.
Ma'am,
and
the real war has
USA
started
is
now in
Ukraine.
our class. Scratch or no scratch?
Yes.
More
Hafsha,
Scratch.
everyone stop writing chat and stop
Huh.
discussing about the different chapter. We are going to face a war of examination. So we have to look into that.
Ma'am, what
first.
is for ICT exam?
Yeah, it will be chapter 3 and 4, 5 and 6. 3, 4, 5 and 6 of our book. And the first 2 is on the Scratch, and the third, 4th, 5th chapter is on, I think, presentation, and 6th chapter is on work. So this time I am going to take a theory examination. The format will be soon discussed with you. We have not yet decided with the format, but this time no project. Okay, so
We are in scratch again.
So yes, we are in Scratch, but this time we are discussing about the theoretical part of the Scratch, and we are having the revision right now. And the last and the foremost thing is, don't worry, whosoever is very much interested about the Scratch and they want to learn more Scratch, then we will definitely go ahead with in the upcoming classes in the next year also. We are having a Scratch in our textbook, the next textbook, and in that also we are going to learn a lot of different programs. And let's plan out something. Go ahead, soon you are going to have your summer vacations, and then you just try to and practice the Scratch programs. There are so many things available. If you want, you just drop me a message. I'll give you the good links, and then in Scratch MIT there also some programs are also available. So can anyone tell me what is a program? In program, what we do, normally we plan a program. And if we plan a program, what is a program actually? A program is
A
something.
program is a set of command. The command controls the computer.
Very good. You read my page. I'm showing the page and you read it.
A program is the set of
A program is set of commands. So what are the commands? Commands are the things that we want our computer system to do. जब भी मैं Scratch का कोई program बनाती हूँ, तो what we plan something ना, we plan that our sprite is going to say, it is going to ask about the input from the
movie.
Okay, it will ask about the movie, or we want our sprite to move for 10 steps. So it will move to 10 steps, and that is the command. So what we do, we take a set of command that is understood by the sprite. So this is for Scratch, and अगर मैं C++ का language use करूँगी, तो giving the command would be of different syntax. So then we will be using different set of words to use that command. So every programming language has different set of syntax to create a command for a program, and a program is set of command that makes the computer to give the controlled outputs, to give the outputs that a user wants. Okay, so how we are going to plan a program? In order to plan a program, we have to create an algorithm. We decide कि अभी मेरे कंप्यूटर को क्या क्या करना है. हम स्प्राइट के साथ डिसाइड करते हैं कि स्प्राइट को 10 स्टेप चलाएंगे, देन स्प्राइट हेलो बोलेगा, then sprite will jump on a particular thing, then sprite will ask this, then sprite will ask that, then sprite will pick up a pen, then sprite will draw from the pen. So what are these things? These are called the algorithms, and these algorithms are converted in the program with a set of commands according to the syntax of the given programming language. So जहाँ पर भी हम program लिखते हैं, that is called as programming language. And now in our course we are using Scratch, and Scratch uses the command blocks. When we fit the blocks together, we can make the program. The person who creates a program is called as programmer, right? The person who creates a program is called as programmer, and in order to make the computer do the work we want to do, we have to run the program. पता है, तुम जब ये सिस्टम स्टार्ट करते हो ना, as soon as you switch on, you go ahead with the power supply, ये पावर भी पूरे कंप्यूटर में रन करती है, उसके लिए भी सेट अप प्रोग्राम है. So as soon as जैसे ही हम पावर ऑन करते हैं, the computer processes start reading the set of instruction कि where and when the power supply will go, which device, which chip, which board is going to get the electricity first, and that will be start, and then how the computer will start running. So the program started running at that time also, and then only you get your PC get started. Sometimes you find when you update your mobile phone, it takes some time to install and start. It says that it will take few seconds to start the Android. Although the time is so less that we won't understand that इतना समय लग गया, but इतने सारे काम पीछे होते हैं. Even mobile phone में भी we have to run the program to make our system run and do the work. Okay, and the person who is carrying up the computer, who is using these programs, are called as user. So obviously when users are different, the programmer are different. Okay, programmer and user are two different people. Programmer who assign the program, who design the program, who knows the syntaxes and rule book of the program, and user is the person who is using the programs. As in, Microsoft is a company who is making Microsoft is a company who is creating the softwares, and the softwares are also the set of programs. So he is creating the program, so the analyst over there are the programmer, and we are using the Microsoft, we are using the software, so we are the user. In the same way, अभी हमने Google slide use किया, तो हमने तो नहीं create किया ना ये software, ये किसी और ने software create किया. So the creator of the software is called as programmer, and the person who is using as we are the user. Okay. What is input in case of any software? So whatever content we are typing and giving the command to the sprite is called as input, and whatever the result we are getting out of it is called as output. So the visual output appears on the screen, that is called as output of the program, and it could be the sound outputs also. You have seen that when we were doing the scratch programming, sometimes we use the sound effects. So we can hear the sound to understand that whether we get the output correctly or not, right? Basically what is scratching is? Scratch क्यों? हमने scratch word ही क्यों use किया? You might have seen the DJs. DJs क्या करते हैं? ऐसे ऐसे CDs को हाथ से थोड़ा सा घुमा देते हैं, और कभी कभी वो कुछ चीजें करते हैं, कुछ बटन्स घुमाते हैं, ऊपर नीचे करते हैं. उन सब चीजों को क्या कहा जाता है? When DJ mixes up the sound, which is what it is called as, that is called as scratching. तो वो क्या करता है? वो दो तीन CDs को, दो तीन म्यूजिक्स को मिक्सअप कर देता है, और उसकी मदद से वो एक नया आउटपुट क्रिएट करता है. In the same way, we are also mixing up the command blocks together to create different outputs of our script. That is why scratch word. Yes, Akshay, you are saying something. You raised your hand. अच्छा, तुम लोग भूल गए हो क्या lower hand करना? Scratch को support करते करते.
I'm scratch forever.
छुट्टियों में scratch.
I want to show you something that I made in Scratch.
After 2 minutes. Okay. So this is the scratch, and these are called as command blocks. This is called as a script area, and this is the stage where the sprite moves. So what we have to do, we have to click into the create or create button, so that we can open the area where we can assemble the scratch blocks in order to get the scratch program done. And where we get all the movement blocks, where we get all the, अभी तुम लोगों को ये learn करना है ना कि हमें कहाँ पर text boxes मिल जाते हैं, text commands मिलते हैं. तो look block give us all the content which allows the sprite to say something, as in hello, how are you, and these many things. And if we want to move the sprite, we have to go to the motion blocks, right? So basic चीजें, how we can change and save. We can go to the file, and there we can save the program to our computer system also. And we can just select the word and delete and make the corrections, make the editing work. Right? We can even put up the sound blocks, and how we are going to load the program. Now, if you have saved your program in your computer system, then you want the program to come in your screen, then you have to load the program. So simple scratch program, you have to load from the file command menu, and then you load the program and you can run the program and see the output. There are some sensing blocks also, which can sense the color, which can sense the name, which can sense the variables. Okay. And how we are going to run the program? We just have to click the condition that has been created. एक event हम create करते हैं. Sometimes we created the event when sprite is touched. Click. Sometimes we created the event, yes, with the flag. और तो एक event नहीं है ना. आपको अगर मैं ये पूछूंगी how we can run the program in Scratch, then that is not always a flag button. We always start even with a flag button, but sometimes it may be with the help of clicking the sprite. Sometimes it may happen that we just press the space bar and then the condition will run. So it is up to the event block that we have decided. Okay. You can turn input as output. अभी देखो मैं hello को input में डालती हूँ and the same will display with the help of the sprite that we are using is say command. हमने ये use किया था, याद है? हम वेरिएबल मांगते थे, हम नाम मांगते थे और आंसर में उसको एंटर करते थे and that answer is shown by the sprite. Remember, initially when we were doing this Scratch programming, we were doing this thing also. Yes, it was there. We use this answer block and this block is used to sense the answers, right? We have joined two blocks together so that we can add or subtract or join two letters together. Remember, we have done this blocks also. अगर याद नहीं है तो पुराने कमांड ब्लॉक्स यूज करके देखना, तो याद करना तो आपको मिलेंगे। ये प्लस माइनस वाले भी हमने किए थे, कैलकुलेटर बनाया था। So these are called the operator blocks where we can add, subtract, multiply or divide and do various kind of operations in Scratch. Okay? Fine? यहाँ तक कोई problem? So we will continue in the next class. We'll discuss some more content about the Scratch. ये बचा हुआ revision करेंगे और हम अपना next chapter.
I want to show you something in
Yes,
Scratch
sure.
that I made tomorrow.
Okay, fine, sure. Stop
Ma'am,
sharing.
I edited my Google slide.
Ma'am, please give
Can I
me
show?
the permission to do screen share.
Ma'am, can I also do screenshot? I edited
That
my
I can
Google
see.
slide.
Sarah, I'll see at home. Is it fine with you?
Okay.
I'll see your design. It's just the designing part. The content would be same. So I'll definitely see in the home. Okay. After the
I
class.
added pictures.
Yeah, definitely. I'll definitely have a look into it. Yeah, fast. Hafsha, do it fast. Huh?
I don't know what I made, but here I go.
You don't know. This is the bad thing. Hafsha, you can't say what you had made. You don't
Ma'am,
know
first
what you had
watch it. I know, I'm just saying it.
Ma'am, I also made a Scratch program. Can I show? Ma'am, can I show? I
Okay.
made a Scratch program.
Show me. Play with the sprites as much as you can. You used forever look.
Ma'am, can you, after this is done, can you tell us what is for exams? Because it's
Third, fourth, fifth,
I've
sixth
learned.
chapter.
Third, fourth, and fifth.
See, Sarah, तुम अभी तो sign in करोगी. Third, fourth, and fifth and sixth chapter. Today I will upload all the syllabus.
Yes.
Good. Very good, Sarah. Very good.
It is another.
Yeah, you use the pen command so well. So why didn't you shown such kind of program in your exam? It is really
I
good.
made it after the exam.
It's really good. Wonderful. Very nice, Sarah. Good, good, good. I like it. Okay. So shall we leave the class for now? We'll revise the more chapters in upcoming class. Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye,
By then, you
ma'am.
also revise all the syllabus, and if you find any doubt, ask me. Okay. So bye.